Hello everyone, welcome to this Crypto Flash. Markets taking a beating. It's been extremely tough over the last 6 months in the cryptocurrency markets. But as you know, in the coming 2 weeks, it's really the macro economy that will come back strong. We've got good signs coming in 15 days with the first rate cut, the Fed's pivot point. So that's good news, but unfortunately there's a big scare in the financial markets right now. It's the risk of recession, Polygon Matic, as it launches tomorrow. In terms of communication, they're quite active. Personally, I think Polygon Matic's frequent updates are fine, not an issue. It'd be great if they kept increasing their communication because it's very insightful. They've mentioned a highly productive token that will accelerate its usage. It starts tomorrow. As I've said, the easiest way is to use Binance. They handle everything. You don't need to do anything. They'll manage the migration and all. I don't have details for other platforms, but this will be a major event starting tomorrow. We'll see how the token responds. So the map is just a disaster. We have the Notcoin family, Toncoin. We're going to go see this one that's really bending. We have Atom, which is already very low. They're really going to find oil at Atom Cosmos. Here they are. Now it's not the Cosmos, it's the slums. Wow, it's amazing. So the volumes are coming back, 33 billion on Bitcoin. We're going to go see $56,000, 2003. What I'm going to show you just at a chart level beyond the macroeconomic sequence that will really mark the upcoming days is also what we can see at a chart level. We are really in a sequence where almost everything is in the red. Look at this series since it started in March, which even kicked off on February 28th on orange. So we made the first high here at $73,000, then $72,000, then $71,000, then $70,000, then $69,000. And the worst is here. So are we at a crucial moment? Because right now you can see the peak was dropping $1,000, but now boom. It looks bad, but at some point the idea exploded. We'll need to liquidate positions eventually. Short term, looking at the 5th, it's crazy. July 5th, August 5th, both crashes. We had one here too. Since then, Bitcoin's been hit hard too, 3 times, each time finding a lower bottom. Here we hit 56, then 54, and now we're hitting 49. So maybe this is the last crash, perhaps the curse of the 5th, and the best case scenario would be really exceptional. Good job stats on Friday. That could start a small positive spiral. Gradually, with the price index on the 11th, we're not immune to some very good news, which I'm hearing more often, followed by a rate cut in 2 weeks. So we might see a super positive new flow rhythm. The market's pivot point isn't the 18th, it could be Friday, and we'll be watching that closely. As for the unrealistic drops, we need to keep it simple now. Look at Ethereum. When it comes to altcoins, if only one were to survive, it would be Ethereum. Ethereum's almost back to its price from 12 months ago. It's incredible, totally insane. Soon it'll have lost 50%. Then there's Toncoin. We've discussed it a lot lately, wondering if it would crack. We thought, let's wait for it to crack. It's cracking now, and I think we're getting there. Some say, don't catch a falling knife, but that's biased. I don't fully agree. If you buy at 4.64, keep some funds in reserve if it drops to 4, 3.5 or 3. But I think it's worth considering. It's like starting to sell on big green candles. For me, that'll be the selling strategy too. It's worth trying, especially at March 2000 levels, despite the project's momentum. Now, Pendle, I haven't discussed it in a while, but it can also experience major drops, and Pendle, much like Bitcoin, shows amplified highs and increasingly lower lows. The latest one here is dangerous in my opinion because it might seem like a reversal, but no, it's completely invalidated, entering a bearish cycle, making lower and lower lows. Will it hit a low below 1.8? That'd mean it'll touch its link corners at 1.11, an exceptional opportunity, but patience is key. Now's not the time to rush. It's in full Chakalito mode, wait for the candles, and the best strategy is to set a goal. I'm talking nonsense, but for Pendle, if it drops to 1.40, I like it. Set a limit order at 1.40. Your order will be active. If nothing happens and it doesn't fall, well, you won't buy anything. But if there's a night, say from the 4th to the 5th, with those big ugly candles at 3 a.m. we're used to seeing, your order will execute and you'll make purchases. That's how I've done it occasionally. Maybe I'll start implementing this strategy. We'll see how it goes. Now, Centrifuge, haven't looked at it in a while. Wow, indeed, it's incredible. It performed well, but all gains were erased. For me, it's one of the best cases. It really outperformed, making 5,000%. Don't forget, it started at nothing, from 0.007 to $1.10. It's done its job well. There was a transition phase in its rise. At first he hesitated, then exploded. My dream, and I'm telling you, it would be truly incredible, and maybe that's what I'll do. Simply place an order at, not just 20 cents, I'll set it at 21 cents. There, my order's set at 21 cents. I won't watch it anymore. If it breaks at some point, which is entirely possible, because look at these candles here as it's breaking through. It's holding a bit in this area. If it doesn't hold, I think the order might go through right away. It's a great opportunity, and it's really falling like this because the momentum was exceptional. It's now losing a big part of its rise. It's a great opportunity. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick update. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me tremendously. Bye, everyone.